Hi, I'm James Davey. In this short video, we're going to learn how to open up the vocal range. This time we're going to do some sirening. Sirening is going to reach both the top and the bottom of our voice. And sirening works by making an ng sound, an as in the end of the word sing. Can you say sing? Sing. Good, and hold that and what we're going to do is slide our pitch gently up and gently down in a nice smooth loop. Okay, have a go. Excellent. So now I'd like you to take your loop as high as you feel comfortable, and then down to as low as you feel comfortable, and then back up again as high as you feel comfortable, and then back down and stop in the middle. Okay? Off you go. Excellent, very good. Now you might feel that at certain points on that route there are little gear changes. Some people will be more familiar with their own gear changes and will find that when singing through a range, some notes are weaker than others, or more difficult to produce than others. And that's usually because they are at points in the voice where one part of the vocal range overlaps with another, and you get a weak spot. When you get to a point where it feels like there's a gear change about to happen, our wall breathing, our support, can help us out. So, putting your hands back onto the lower part of your back, I'd like you to do your sirening loop, 2 loops once again. The first one to identify where you think your gear changes are, where the little moments are that things sort of stop and start again. And the second time to engage a little bit more outward back muscle movement to try and smooth over the gaps. Okay? Off you go. Good, well done.